As far as Doge support floor, it generally is currently $0.056 in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin cost investigation especially is bullish today, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin sort of has a medium-term opposition at $0.064 in an unpretentious manner. Doge fall 3.51% in 7 days in a sort of significant manner. 11 October 2023, in this video we will in a real sense walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time, especially sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is by and large momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin. Truly is Doge a genuinely wise interest in an unpretentious manner? Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so forth incredibly. Be that as it may, prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the Doge specialized examination, let us discuss the sort of current economic situations. Showing how Dogecoin especially has a medium-term opposition at $0.064 in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,061,811,384,781 in a fundamentally enormous manner. The by and large complete exchanging volume generally remains at $26,637,099,388 in an essentially huge manner. Bitcoin shares 50.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, showing how Dogecoin cost investigation sort of is bullish today, which certainly is very critical. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,246.02 level after a decay of 1.49% in a by and large enormous manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value reduction of 0.87%, coming to $1,575.27 during the past 24 hours, showing that Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so on, which generally is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.63, following a value change of 0.96% within a similar time span, showing how Dogecoin cost investigation by and large is bullish today, which for the most part is very huge. XRP, the really local coin of XRP, fundamentally is somewhere around 1.93 and presently exchanging at 49 cents, which in every practical sense is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how Dogecoin explicitly has a medium-term opposition at $0.064 in an unpretentious manner. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a truly descending course for especially transient in a very enormous manner. Right now, a truly broad, truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which generally is genuinely huge. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. Support basically is a level at which purchasers sort of become in every way that really matters, all the more especially dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which vendors generally become move commonly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving kind of higher in a really significant manner. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, basically is at $0.059, up 0.09% in the essentially beyond 24 hours, and certainly has a value change of 3.51% over the course of the week, which truly is very huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in every way that really matters is 135,356,215.00 United States dollars, while exceptionally all-out market cap came to $8,349,152,225 United States dollars, showing how support generally is a level at which purchasers essentially become considerably more truly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. There truly are practically 141,365,146,384 sort of are available for use out of 141,365,146,384, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value examination. Doge cost investigation for 11 October 2023, inside a truly day-to-day time period, for the most part made sense of underneath. We utilize kind of relative strength index RSI, moving certainly normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving really normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA, to investigate the future development of the Dogecoin. So Dogecoin value examination. Doge cost examination for 11 October 2023, inside an essentially everyday time span, fundamentally made sense of beneath, which sort of is genuinely huge. While Doge's Williams %R pointer explicitly is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange kind of sign by and large is conceivable at this reach, which for the most part shows that there generally are practically 141,365,146,384 truly are available for use out of 141,365,146,384, or so they especially thought. The MACD line certainly is remaining underneath of the extremely signal line after a hybrid, which especially shows that the MACD line for the most part is remaining beneath of the exceptionally signal line after a hybrid, which generally is very huge. Dogecoin financial backers need to explicitly hang tight for any directional change over the truly day-to-day outline in every way that really matters. Further appearance. How Dogecoin certainly has a medium-term opposition at $0.064, which generally is genuinely critical. The general strength file, RSI, shows that the Dogecoin explicitly is in oversold stage, as RSI truly is at 24, exhibiting that market examination over the in every practical sense. Last 24 hours, there all things considered, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,061,811,384,781, or so they for the most part thought. The quick obstruction level at Doge costs really is at the mental sign of $0.062, showing how Doge fall 3.51% in 7 days in an exceptionally significant manner. In the event that everything goes well, the coin could generally attempt to break above $0.064 mark, so we utilize relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including really straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal, EMA, to essentially examine the future development of the Dogecoin. So Dogecoin value examination. Doge cost examination for 11 October 2023, inside a day-to-day time span, truly made sense of beneath, in a sort of enormous manner. On the other hand, the messed up pattern line could especially take the value back to $0.056 support level, exhibiting how Dogecoin